Welcome back. So in this series, we're gonna walk through installing the latest version of Debian Bookworm, which is currently in testing and will eventually become Debian 11. So the first thing we're going to do is go to your whatever web browser you have and go to debian.org. And here we're going to go over here where it says download, and we're going to download the file, but we don't want the current ones. We want to get that testing version. So over here, you see other releases. And you can go with unstable, stable. We're going to go with testing. And this is where it's saying that after Bullseye, which is Debian 11, it's going to go to Bookworm. You can check out the release notes here, but we're going to go straight to the Debian installer page. And over here we can download, you can download a CD image from different locations, a Blu-ray image, and what we're going to go with is a DVD image. Okay, and again, this is testing, so if you want a stable, usable system, this may not be what you want. But we're going to go ahead and download this Alpha 1 for AMD 64 DVD, which was released in September of 2022. And I've already downloaded it, so we'll move on to the next thing, which is burning this onto a DVD. Once you've downloaded it, you can use various programs to burn it to a DVD, depending on the operating system you're using. I'm going to use a program that I downloaded, Burner. And if you're not on Debian, or if you're not on a Linux system, there's different programs to burn an ISO. If you want me to look through and make some videos on some of the other ones, let me know. So I have this Bookworm Alpha 1 ISO. I also have a live CD of Debian 11.6. So I'm going to select that. And I currently have a CD, not a DVD, in the drive. You would put the correct media in there, and you would click burn. Go ahead and subscribe. You could look at this playlist, which should be on your screen, which will go through the rest of this project.